In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your microphone when it's not working on Discord. So, if you've been having trouble getting your microphone to function properly while using Discord, you're in the right place. Let's walk through some steps to troubleshoot and hopefully resolve this issue. First things first, you'll want to open Discord. If you don't have Discord open yet, head over to the official Discord website and click on Login if you're not already logged in. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Discord homepage. This is your main hub on Discord where you'll find all your servers and direct messages. From there, we need to access your user settings. You can do this by locating and clicking on the gear icon located at the bottom of your server list, right next to your username. This icon will open up a menu where you can adjust various settings for your Discord experience. Next, look for the Voice and Video tab in the Settings menu. This section is crucial because it houses all the settings related to your voice input and output. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to open up the options. Within the Voice and Video settings, you'll see various controls and options for both your microphone, input, and speakers or headphones and output. Focus on the Input Device field. Here, a drop-down menu will allow you to select the microphone you're intending to use with Discord. Make sure the correct device is selected. If you have multiple microphones connected, it's easy to pick the wrong one by accident. So take a moment to confirm that the right input device is selected. If you've made your selection and the microphone still isn't detecting your voice, check your input volume. You'll see a slider labeled Input Volume. Ensure that this is turned up so Discord can pick up your voice properly. You can also use the mic test feature where you speak into your microphone and see how Discord registers your voice input. This can give you immediate feedback on whether your microphone is working correctly or not. Failing that, ensure that Discord has the necessary permissions to access your microphone. Depending on your operating system, you might need to adjust your system permissions. Make sure that your microphone isn't muted, both on your system settings and on any physical mute button that may be present on the microphone itself. By the end of these steps, your microphone issue on Discord should be resolved, or hopefully, you'll have a better understanding of where the problem lies. If it persists, consider checking drivers or seeking technical support. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.